Hello, everybody. This is Hannah here, and I am a black belt in Taekwondo. And today I'm going to show you some hip mobility exercise. Also, we're going to introduce side kick and hooking kick. These two kicks that help you to build the hip mobility and also as some conditioning exercise to open up your hips. Because especially for people who are having a desk job, sitting in front of a computer for a long time, this is very, very good antidote for releasing any tension around your hips. Also, although this is not a cure for any chronic pain, but practicing it regularly that can help you to reduce the pain, also even prevent any chronic pain. So now let's get started. So first of all, to start any exercise, um, it's always great to warm up your body. So you can always do some star jumps, some kicks, some stretching to warm yourself up. But for now, if you haven't done that, please pause this video, do 10 star jumps, and do some jumping, skipping the rope to warm your body up. But to start with, let's just assume you have done that. Okay, so you don't need any equipment, but if you do, you can use a resistance band to give you some if you want to advance your level. Then I will guide you in a bit. So first of all, just to, again, although you warm your body up, just to warm up your hips even more. So on your fours, what we do, just circle your hips, do 3 circles, and outside. And switch. So for these parts, really, really like connect to your body and be mindful. So you don't have to rush it, don't over push yourself, but really feel you're doing the maximum. So that really requires you to listen to your body. So 3 left and change directions. Just circle your knees and swap. Okay, relax. So if you need to, just massage your hips. So now again on your fours, what we're gonna do. So we're gonna do the donkey kicks. And again, like warm up your hips. So imagine you have a chewing gum on your heels and you're going to stick that chewing gum to the ceiling. So gradually you can start kick it with a bit of power. So let's do 15 each side. Again, do not rush this movement, take your time. Okay, so now switch. So with each movement, really connect your hip muscles and always be mindful with your movement. Okay, and relax. So now just on the butterfly position, hold your feet and open it up. So shake it out. Again, this stretch don't over push your body at the beginning. This is just a warm up. But with each movement, really connect to your body, connect to each muscles, and notice when your muscle is ready to open up more. Great. And now this is a frog stretch. So knees open, knees on the floor and open. So open to your maximum and just pause forward and backwards. So if you are ready, if you're feeling your body is ready to open up more, and be free to do so. And keep rolling forward and backwards. Very good. Okay, so now another element to really have the strong kicks is also your core. And now today, next exercise, we're going to activate your obliques. So of course, we are going to work on the core muscles, but the obliques is also very important when it becomes the side kick. So now, if you're a beginner, you can like bend your knee and on your elbow. So let's just do everyone do this to warm up and down. So it's like a half dip. So keep your body straight. So this is a straight line. You're not bending. So do 15 each side. Again, this is to activate your muscles. So draw your attention on your obliques. So side of the muscle, and then feeling it contracting. So once you've done 15, do the same, the other side. So again, body straight on your elbows. So really be mindful and connecting to your body. Again, do not rush this movement. So always be mindful. And once you've done 15, just come back. So same position again. Bend your knees. So we're going to open up your hips. So it is like doing a roundhouse kick, the beginning. So just open up. Let's do 10, 5, to your maximum, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now let's add the rotation. 1, so toes to your knee. 2, that's again to really work on your hip mobility. 3, because we need a lot of rotation on some of the Taekwondo kicks. So do 10 of these. Again, do not over push yourself. And if you need to slow down, be free to slow down. Okay, once you've done 10, and to the other side, same thing. So body straight again. So let's open and close. So like the turning kick. Do 10. So open up to your maximum. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now go up, rotate. So toes to the knee. If you need to slow down, really slow it down. So it's really, this is working on small muscles. You might start feeling the pain at this point. So if it's burning, then it is right. But again, do not overforce yourself. Okay, once you've done 10, so I'm going to demonstrate the side kick. But now today we're going to just do the floor work. So again, same position. So if you have done the turning kick is like this, but side kick is very different. The feet position is we call it knife foot. So it's edge of the foot. So that's a 10, the side kick. So it's like to the side. Okay, so now let's get used to the side position. So you can just go up and down. Again, the foot position is you're using turning the edge of the foot. It's like there's a board over there. You're using the knife foot to break it. Okay. So just up and down to the maximum. Okay, so now let's focus on the right side first. So once you are used to this, so you bend your knee. So it's very different to this turning kick. The side kick, you start with your knee. You want your knees to come to your chest and then up. So just get used to it. Just slowly do 6 of them. So you might start feeling the burn on your hips. And that is right. So now give it a bit massage. If you have the resistance band, then you can start using the resistance band. So if you use the band that has a handle, then put your handle there, or you can just wrap it on your foot. So the idea is whichever way is comfortable for you. But if you don't, then that's fine as well. So start with ready position, kick, and back. So that will give a resistance. So let's do 6 of these. Again, when it's resistance band, keep it slow and mindful. Okay, very good. So now let's try the other side. So you can always practice this even a few minutes before you go to bed. Okay, same thing. Now, if you remember the turning kick, now it's the side kick. Side kick position, use your right foot, so the edge of the foot. So go up and down to your maximum. Okay, so now let's bring it down and kick. So the knee towards, bring back to the chest and up. 3, do 6 of these, but keep it slow and mindful. And engage your muscle. Very good. Okay, so now with or without a band, let's do 6. Okay, ready? So the edge of the foot and your eyes always look at the target. So if you're using a band, keep it slow and keep it mindful. Let's do 6. And if you need to do a bit more, then be free to do so. Okay, now butterfly position. Shake it out again, and then just rotate. So that is the basic of the side kick. Of course, the real side kick, we will do it in the standing position, and there's so many variations in the real life fighting situation using the side kick. But this is the basic, and it's always great to master the basics, and also great to build the strength from that. So now I'm going to introduce a hooking kick. So the fast motion on the floor is like this. So it's like you really like a scorpion and swipe. So it's the same, start as if you're doing a side kick, and now you want to hook it. So come here and then point your foot. So let's start from here. And now, so it's very different from the turning kick. So when you are hooking, you bring it back. So it's like this, bring your knee back. Okay, so now let's break it down even more. So first of all, up, and then go back. So point your toes. This should feel good and burning at the same time. Okay, so now let's do the hooking from here. So go back, really knees are back a little bit. Okay, let's go 5 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, I know it is burning here. So now let's get from the beginning. So, and then hook. Okay, so it's like start with the side kick, then point your toes and do the hook. 3, let's do 6 of them. 4, 5, and last one. Okay, if you need, give it a bit of massage. I know this is burning. It looks very simple, but it's actually burning. Okay, let's do the other side. So again, just to demonstrate, this is like starting like a side kick and point, and you're hooking it like all the way back. Make sure you have some space behind you. So, and point your toes and back. So now let's do the pointing back. Okay, this should feel good. Again, do not over push this movement. Always stay mindful. Great. So now let's start from here and hook back and back. So very important, you're like hooking it, not just bring it back like this. Okay, so really hook it. Let's do 5 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Okay, so if you need to give it a deep massage, feel free to do so. So now let's start from here. Okay, so up and hook, and up and really big hook. So it is like there's a stick, like a bunch of sticks over there, and you're going to like hook it. So all the sticks are falling down. Okay. So let's do 4 more. 4, 3, 2, and last one. Very good. Okay, butterfly position. So again, one thing is that don't worry if the movement is not perfect. So you do your maximum, do your best, and whatever way you're doing, it's perfect. As long as you really listen to your body and connect to your body. Okay, so now finally, just like to relax you, now hugging your knees and give yourself a bit spine massage like this. And relax. Okay, so now I hope you enjoy this one. And yeah, we're going to introduce more of the kicks, including some conditioning exercise that really help you to release any body tension. And if you are the regular martial artist, that will build up more strength and mobility. And if you're a beginner, that's also very great for you to practice. Okay, so thank you very much. And I see you very soon. Bye.